Hello to all traders. We are back with an exciting 1-minute scalping strategy. If you follow the rules mentioned in this video, it will help you have successful trades and earn good profits. However, if you act against them, you may incur losses. So make sure to watch the video until the end. As always, choose any symbol you like and then set your time frame to 1 minute. Now go to the indicator tab and search for Auto Trend with Alert. Select it and add it to the chart. Make necessary adjustments in its settings. As you can see, this indicator provides trend lines and buy and sell signals automatically, which can greatly help in your trades. Whenever you see a buy signal, you can enter a buy trade. And when you see sell signals, you can enter sell trades. But don't rush because haste always leads to losing money. To prevent losses, add another indicator. To do this, go to the indicator tab and search for Ultra Arun Oscillator and add it to your chart. Make necessary adjustments in its settings. As you can see, this indicator has 5 areas. Overbought area where buyers are less likely to buy, oversold area where sellers are less likely to sell, and 2 other areas above and below the midline known as buy and sell areas respectively. Pay close attention to these 5 areas. Whenever the line of this indicator crosses the midline upwards, it generates a buy signal for us, and whenever it crosses downwards, it generates a sell signal. Now that I have provided explanations for 2 indicators, let me tell you how to enter trades. For buy orders, first find a buy signal. After that, we should go to the Ultra Arun indicator and make sure that we are in the buy area and the midline is crossed upwards. At this point, you can place a buy order. Set the stop loss slightly below the last swing low. For take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Just wait for the trade to close with profit. Here are some examples of buy orders you can see. For sell orders, find sell signals. After that, we go to the Ultra Arun indicator and make sure that we are in the sell area and the midline is crossed downwards. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order here and set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. And for take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Wait for the trade to close with profit. As you can see, this strategy is very easy, and with the explanations I have provided, you can earn good profits. Just be careful and stick to the rules of this strategy. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new videos and watch them. Goodbye until the next video.